Hsin Lien Machinery Company, established in 1988, is a professional manufacturer of brass and bronze casting products. We specialize in sand casting, furan casting, centrifugal casting, investment casting, mold design and cast finishing for brass and bronze casting of diverse products and alloys, especially applied in ship parts, mechanical hardware parts, etc. Hsin Lien Machinery has strict requirements for the brass and bronze casting process. Before production, a meeting will be held and testing performed to verify the proposed solution. Moreover, an SOP for the best production process will be developed so that all stages can be correctly carried out and verified to propose the best casting solution for different products and provide customers with more suitable materials or the best cost-fitting proposals, as well as the most professional assistance in a timely manner. Recently, in view of the future trend, Hsin Lien Machinery has introduced automatic molding machines to improve production efficiency, casting quality consistency, and reduce the cost of customers. The casting process adopts the most advanced high-frequency induction furnace to melt and cast brass, and then perform surface treatment and post-processing according to customer requirements. The factory is equipped with a series of automated machineries. All kinds of processing can be completed within the factory. Glossed wax casting can be applied to parts with complex shapes. This method is suitable for different metal materials. The casting surface is fine, has a better density and a precise size. The production capacity is more elastic, which reduces the processing time and can directly produce the required surface appearance. To cater to the needs of our customers, Hsin Lien Machinery is equipped with spectrometer, hardness machine, and physical testing machine, etc. Moreover, to effectively improve processing precision, we gradually import various precise inspection and 3D measurement equipment in order to provide customers with the most consistent product precision and quality. Over the years, with the lead of our CEO and the effort of our staff, Hsin Lien Machinery has established a rationalized management process and a standardized quality control system, obtaining ISO 9001 quality certification. Through large-scale international exhibitions, our products are successfully sold to many countries, including the USA, Germany, Japan, Southeast Asia, mainland China, etc., bringing MIT products to the international market. In the future, we will continue to make technology advancement, cost reduction, and quality assurance our goal, constantly exerting our tireless efforts to serve our customers. Hsin Lien Machinery, the most professional manufacturer of brass and bronze casting products.